Let's change it. I take my chance, riding dirty, my speeding lane swinging. I fucking made it to 30 without my neck breaking. My gun is holding a 30 that got his legs shaking. Meanwhile, his girl in the room, I watch him masturbating. Yeah, so let's call it that dirt. When it comes to death, I like the flirt. My heels have eyes in the smirk. My cuz got bills, they got that shirt.
If I keep it up all these 3 days, gon' kill me before 30. Another day wasted up my nose and it's still early. Don't you worry, I'm always in the hurry. So I cop the phone, scoop, slide around town till I gotta pull up to the corner. Start another route, now I'm feeling sorta blue. Nothing new, one of the chosen few. The best of y'all give him some room. The best of y'all didn't assume that he is destined for imminent doom, unless he is ready to get in the tomb. You be such a bomb, but it make it look good. Drunk in the front, yeah, this was under the